today I'm going to show you how to build stopwatch. First you have to import time module, and that's it. You need second equal to 0, minute equal to 0, and hour equal to 0. Okay, just let me. Okay, now we have to keep iterating it while true, and time dot sleep, and in this we will give 1 second. It means it will sleep for 1 second and then execute other lines. Okay, so after this we will increment second by 1 and print our hour, minute and second. So I'm going to use dot format here, 0 1 2. Okay, dot format. First one is hour, second one is minute, third one is second. Okay, now we need to iterate hour and minute too, so we can do this by if second equal to 60. Okay, so we have 2 is equal to 0 and minute plus 1. Okay, and exactly same for minute equal to 60. Then we have to reset minute equal to 0 and then hour plus 1. Okay, pretty much simple. Okay, now let's run it. As you can see, it's incrementing. Okay, but it's not looking that good, so you can add one more line, import os. Okay, what it will do, it will clear the screen. Okay, os dot system and cls. Okay, but it will only work in cmd, it will not work in any IDE. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind, or you can be a little creative and just let me show you. I did it here. Okay, so slash n means next line, slash t means tab, and here it goes. So you can be little creative like this. So thank you for watching, and subscribe and share, like, whatever you want.